session, we had a discussion about, sir, what is model, how to write a model class, how to write a model class. Next, how to register model class, how to register model class, how to register model class inside admin inside admin.py. Next, how to create super user, how to create super user, how to create super user, like how you can able to create super user. Sir, like we covered already. Next, how to open, open. Yes, sir, just admin interface, admin interface, like all these things we discussed already, right? Okay. So now the next thing what I have to do to continue further. Sir, in this total process, are you facing the problem anywhere? Can you please tell? Except a database installations, just go through the Google. Definitely you can able to solve that problem. Don't worry. Next, sir, related to this one, are you facing anywhere the problem? Can you please? How to write model class, how to register model class inside admin. Next, how to create super user, how to open admin interface. These are things, sir, all the things are very clear for you people, right? Okay, like so if you feel comfortable, next level directly I will go for I will go for, sir, next level. Okay, sir, like how we can able to do that. Okay, what is the next thing? From the database, I want to capture data. Regarding my requirement is, from the database I want to capture data like this, right? Sir, how we can able to capture data from the database? Okay, inside the views.py file. Remember this one. I want to capture data from the database into views.py file. This is one thing what I require. Okay, like this, right? Second one, I want to send this data to the template file to display to the end user. If you can complete that, then complete cycle by default will be ready. Okay, remember this. So we created model class. We converted into database table. Sir, we populated some data. Populated tables are populated with some data. Okay, so database having the data. Now fetch data from the database. Fetch data from the database and fetch data from the database and display to the end user. That's all. If you can able to do these things, now the cycle by default will be ready. Regarding complete cycle is going to be, sir, the cycle completely it is going to be completed, right? So, sir, we covered how to write model class, how to create database table, how to populate it with some data. Up to that I covered, right? Okay. Now, if you observe, what is the last project we created? What is the last project we created? Anyone, can you please confirm? So, the Django projects voting, CD, okay, the Django projects voting. So, what is that project? Sir? Student project or employee? What is that project we covered? Employee project. Regarding CD, EMP. Sir, here just EMP project like this. Okay, well, EMP project. Now, here just observe PY manage.py. Run server like this I'm taking, sir. Run server like I'm taking. Now take it with very special care about this one, sir. Sir, server happily it's going to run. Here it is not going to face any problem at all. Yes, 1 minute. Why the server is taking too much time? Maybe first time maybe my server is sleeping. Okay, well, now have a look once, sir. Okay, now observe a bit carefully. Yeah, background atom is also starting. That's right. Okay, now admin like this I'm taking, sir. Admin interface. Sir, we are going to discuss these things multiple times. We are going to use, don't worry about that. Just give it. If I click this one, then automatically, do you know, complete employee information is there. Complete employee information is there, sir. I hope, sir, employees are already employee data is already available in my database. Okay, sir, up to this, whatever we covered in the last session, any doubt? Can you please tell? Any doubt about this? Okay, so even you people may have small doubts. Once we are going for next example, then all the things are going to be clear. Let me continue the remaining cycle regarding fetch data from the database and display to the end user. Just here, only two things I want to talk. Sir, inside views.py file. Regarding inside views.py file, if you want to get the EMP employee data, if you want to get employee data, EMP list, sir, whatever data is there inside database, can you please provide? Can you please provide this total list? What I have to take, sir? Employee is my model class. Regarding employee, data objects. Can you please tell what is this one, sir? Objects. Is it lowercase or uppercase? Is it lowercase? O is the lowercase or uppercase? Observe carefully, sir. Objects lowercase. Data all. Now, whatever data is there inside employee table, by default, that data we are going to get. By default, that data we are going to get, sir, into the views.py file. Remember this one, sir. Inside views.py, if I can write this one, then automatically, do you know this data, all the total database data by default will come into EMP list. Any doubt? Please confirm. Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay, now I'm getting the data. Once you got this data, sir, I forgot this line. Anyone, can you please repeat again? What is the, how I can get the total employee data in the employees table, whatever data is there? Can you please tell? What is the way, sir? EMP list. Any variable you can use. It is the any variable. Model class name. What is your model class name? Please confirm. What is your model class name? What is the model class name? Employee. Regarding what is the model class name? Employee. Data object or objects. Can you please confirm? This is a very common mistake. Vaishnav, object or objects? Object or objects? Objects. Remember, objects are dot all. If you can take this line, now total data by default will come. Maybe list of tuples where each tuple may contain record, something like that. We are not required to worry because usually we never want to print this data inside the views.py. Regarding that, we never want to display this data inside views.py. That's why, so internally what type, we are not required to worry. It is a list of tuples where each tuple contain employee information. Like you can consider, we know that. Still, if I want to know what is the type of this one, print what is the way, sir? Type of EMP list. Regarding print type of EMP list, or simply you can print EMP list. Or simply you can print EMP list, you can print. Now it is going to display the data, right? I will do this, sir. Just observe this, sir. Already, sir. It is my project already there. Employee project, sir. EMP project. Sorry, this is EMP project. Excellent. Now all the things are ready. Directly, straightforward. Let me go to this file, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Now let me close all these things, right? Okay, now this is the views.py. Just observe what I'm trying to take here is, sir, just do you know DEF, okay, EMP info, EMP view. Regarding EMP view of request on taking, EMP view of request. Okay, I don't want to do anything, sir. Just only one line I want. what I want to get, can you please tell? EMP list is equal to employee dot objects dot auth. But one small twist is there. To use employee, compulsory import statement must be required. Can you please tell employee is available where? Inside models. Inside models is available inside the test.py. That's why, sir, you can consider from test app dot models, from test app dot models import employee. This is one thing I have to take. Regarding this is one thing I have to take. Next, what I want to take is I want to print this information to the console. But anyway, sir, whenever you are sending HTTP request, end user is always expecting some HTTP response. What I want to take here, just return HTTP response. At our childhood somewhere we covered return HTTP response. Yeah, sir, return HTTP response. Just I'm taking H1 sample response, like this I'm taking, sir. At our, sir, whenever we didn't cover templates concept, then I displayed this one. Have you remember, right? Return HTTP response templates concept. Whenever I didn't cover, then I send this one. But anyway, compulsory here we require to keep import statement from Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Are you getting HTTP response like this? That's all. So now I don't want to use any template as of now. Just I want to display this information. That's why print of EMP list I have to take, sir. Okay. Compulsory, what I require to take, sir, URL pattern I have to define. Okay. Where is my URL pattern? Where I have to define? Inside project level or inside application level. So from test app import views. From test app import views, like this, right? So from test app import views. Next time after that, here what I want to take is, sir, here just EMP, sir, info. Can you please display EMP info? Now, sir, views dot EMP view, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. So now my EMP is also same. Okay, like now take a bit very special care about this one. Take a bit very special care. Yes, I hope server is already restarted. Don't worry about that. Have you observed right time? 8:47. Server is already restarted. You didn't find any problems at all. Let me send the request directly 127.8/EMP info. Regarding EMP info, like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe? Just what I have to take here it is the responsible to print. 1 minute. Not responding properly. Whenever I'm sending the request, not responding, maybe recommended to restart the server. No problem at all, sir. No problem at all. None type object split, something like it's going to tell it is facing some error. Default ending of exception, something like it is facing some error. Okay, during like that. Don't worry. Let me restart the server. No issues. Okay. Yes. Let me send the response. Have you observed, right? If you observe, yes, here in the server console, have you observed? This is the object, this is the output by default you are going to get now. Query set. Yes, sir, this is employee Durga, employee Ravi, employee Shiva, and employee Pavan. Okay, in this style by default you are going to get. Yes, what I want to take here is inside views.py. What is the type of EMP? list. Yes. Okay. Just have a look once. Have a look once. Here I'm trying to restart. Can you please observe that? Let me, there is some, let me restart the server. It is printed already. Have you observed? What is the type? What is the type of that is django.db.models.query set. Regarding dot query set, what is the type, son? Sir, query set type. Remember, django.db.models.query set type. By default, it's going to return. Who asked this question? Vinod. I hope yourself, right? Vinod. Okay, like, yeah. So this is the query set type. Of course, what is the type of this one? Query set type. Remember that. Okay, like, now my next thing is, okay, well, I don't want to display like this. What I want to do is, I want to display to the template file. If I want to display to the template file, can you please guide, sir? How I can able to do? How I can able to do that inside EMP project? Can you please create one folder? What is the folder name? What is the folder name? Please confirm. What is the folder name? Templates. I'm taking. Next, inside the templates, I have to create one separate folder. What is the application test app? Inside the test, yeah, sir, I'm taking, okay, emp.html. emp.html, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, if you want any style kind of thing, if you are talking about any style, okay, not required to worry, static files, okay. First, yeah, as of now, let me show inside our HTML style, or otherwise, let me create one static file also, okay, one static folder also. What is this one, sir? Static. Inside static, let me take some new folder, okay, CSS folder. Inside CSS folder, let me take one file, okay, demo3.css I'm taking. Okay, assume that demo3.css file. So this is emp.html. First, add all these things to the settings.py. Sir, this is not new activity. Several times we did already. Okay, sir. Now can you please guide, sir, what I have to take? Here I have to create template dir regarding is equal to os.path.join of, okay, base dir templates. Okay, similarly static folder, static dir is equal to os.path.join of base dir static, like this, right? Static. Now can you please tell where I have to add, sir? This template dir, where I require to add, sir? Can you please observe that inside the dirs? Now I have to take template dir, I require to add. Next time after that, here I have to create a class. Can you please confirm what I have to take, sir? Can you please confirm what I have to take, sir? Static files dirs is equal to static files dirs is equal to like static path, static dir. That's all. Now, sir, this story already you aware, like let me take HTML file. Sir, take very special care. Okay, like this static name. Generally, Harish, generally it is the static. It's a good programming practice. Here, just observe what I'm trying to take is. Can you please confirm what I have to take? Percentage. What is that? Load the static files. Next time after that, here link demo link. Here also what I have to take is, okay, sir, here percentage. Next time after that static. What is the file name here? css/demo3.css. I'm taking, that's all. Demo3.css, like this, right? Sir, this is sample response. Here just observe that h1. This is, sorry, h1. What name? Why it is, man? What am I doing? h1. Somewhere there is a mistake. Where is that? Am I doing anywhere mistake? Yes, correct. That's why it is not going to come. Okay, H1 I'm taking. Here, this is a sample response, just for basic idea purpose. Connected. Yeah, this is the sample response line. Inside the views.py, can you please tell what I have to take? I don't want to return like this. Okay, I don't want to return like this. Sir, now I don't want this one. Can you please confirm what I have to take? Forget about this print statement. I don't want to send the MP list also. Assume I don't want to send the MP list also. Or if you want my dict is equal to sir, here EMP list sir is EMP list, like this I'm taking. Okay, now return render off request comma. Can you please confirm, sir? Request comma test app slash what is the emp.html. Next and after that comma context is equal to my dict. Yeah, wonderful. Can you please confirm are you facing any problem in these lines? Are you facing any problem in these lines? Sir, already we are very strong. We got complete employee information. That employee information I'm sending to the template file. How to write a template file, how to configure template file, up to that not required to keep any explanation, right? Now have a look once, sir. Let me restart the server. Let me restart. Already server restarted, don't worry. Let me send the request. Let me send the request like this, right? Yeah, what is this is a sample response. Wow, yeah, all the components are connected perfectly. It is working, sir. Okay, perfectly it is working, sir. Just have you observed only one H1 I'm taking, but I'm not talking about any employees data, right? Up to this, any doubt? Now my next only one requirement is there. Can you please tell what is that requirement? What is that? Display that employee information. Display that employee information to display that employee information by using this template file. We require to write the code. Sir, can you please tell how many employees are there in our database? Are you saying how many employees are there in our database? 4 employees. Maybe tomorrow 40 employees or 4,000 employees may be a chance. What I have to do? That's what you people should aware, sir. Yeah. Here some tags you require to familiar. Okay. So now I have one small doubt. Just only today we learned only one new point up to this. What is that point is? Inside views.py, how to get inside views.py, how to get the employee table data. Can you please tell how to get employee table data? Please tell the line, because that is the first line I require. What is that line? Anyone, can you please confirm? EMP list is equal to can you please tell what is the way? Respond, man. EMP list is equal to employee dot objects dot all. Okay, that's all. Employee dot objects dot all. Now complete employee list by default I'm getting, sir. Okay, now how to display this employee list in the template file? This is the big cinema, sir. Okay, just very simple, sir. Sir, this which variable is coming to the template file? Which variable is coming to the template file? Sir, do you know EMP list is coming? This is the variable name. EMP list is coming, sir. EMP list is coming. Now what I have to take? If EMP list contain any records or not. If EMP list contain any records or not. Okay, sir, very simple. If just sir, if EMP EMP, if any records, if EMP list contain any records, sir, take a for loop, sir, print all records information, that's all. Next and after that, can you please tell end of for loop, end that for loop. Next and after that, sir, else just to spell out no records found. Next and after that, no records found. Next and after that, end if. That's all. Are you getting? This is a something like okay, template tags language. Are you getting? This is something like a template tags language. Just basic idea. If EMP list contain any data, if EMP list contain any data, use for loop, print all records information in the table form or any form, no problem at all. Sir, end of for loop. Next and after that, if records are not there, no records found. Next, can you please end if for something like end? Can you please end if something like we have to take? Please confirm. Any doubt? Just a terminology, sir. Okay, just because exact code we are going to take care, because in the template tags it is a different language, right? I told already it is a different language, right? I told already, sir, it is not exact code. Don't worry, I will convert this one into exact code. Okay, sir, for here just what I want to take, listen carefully. Exact code I am ready to write, sir. Here anywhere template means let me go directly here only. Okay, I don't want this employee information like this. I'm taking, sir. What I have to take is, sir, percentage. Okay, here like if EMP list, what is the meaning of that? Is was if employee having, okay, sir, any records, if employee having any records, okay, sir. Now what we have to take? If employee having any records, okay, start the table, sir. In the T head, okay, first head row, sir, TH, EMP, employee number, I'm taking employee number like this, employee number. Next, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Are you getting? Employee name, okay, EMP number, employee name. Next and after that, employee address, employee salary. Next and after that, employee address. Okay, like this. First I'm taking, sir. Take a bit very special care, because if employee list contains some data, can you please repeat? Can you please do this? Like this I'm taking TH completed. Okay, well, sir, are you facing any difficulty to understand this line? Please respond. It's a very easy. What there inside? Are you facing any difficulty to understand this one? Nothing is there. What there inside? Okay. Now, sir, if list contain, I open the table. In that header part completed. Now TRs must be required. But how many employees are there? Any number of employees, man. Any number of employees. That's fine. What we have to do is, yes, here what I'm taking, percentage. Okay, like this. For each employee in EMP list. Wow. For loop I'm starting, sir. For loop I'm starting. Okay, well, sir, in the for loop, what I have to take? For every EMP, one TR must be required. So one in the TR, TD must be required. For every EMP present inside EMP list. For every EMP present inside EMP list. Sir, it is a template tags language. It is not Python. Don't worry, it is not Python. Seems to be something like Python, but it's not Python. Okay, curly brace. Sir, how many properties are there for the employee number, employee name, employee salary, and then employee address. Regarding employee address, first one emp dot enum. Regarding emp dot enum, in the model class, which variable name you used, that variable names we are using. First one completed, second one, third one, fourth one. Regarding emp.enum, next emp.ename, next and after that emp.esal, next emp.eaddress. Okay, like this, right? Now, for every employee, can you please add one TR, so that if employee list contain 1000 records, 1000 TRs by default will be added. Any doubt? Any doubt up to this? Now, what I have to take here, close this, okay, end for. Regarding close this, end for. Yes, remember, close this, end for, no space in the middle, sir. End for, single word, sir, closed. Now, my table completed. Yes. And then, else, sir. Else, like this, what I have to take? Else, just you can write P1, some paragraph tags, sorry. I'm taking just paragraph. No employees found. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay. Next, else is also completed. Only one thing I have to do, sir, end this if. Only one thing I require to take. End this if. What is that, sir? Here, percentage, end if. Yeah. Maybe it is a new thing. Some people may feel difficult, but first time you people may feel difficult, but second time onwards, I'm sure you never going to face any problem. Believe me, sir. Okay. Now have a look once. Can you please observe carefully this code? Are you facing anywhere difficult? Please let me know. What is this language? Shashank, what is the name of this language? Inside HTML, indentation is not important. Shashank, what is this language? Django 2 template language. Yes, there is a name. Django 2 template language. There is a name is also there for this. Okay, Django 2. Okay, like this special language, Jinja 2. Okay, Jinja 2 template language. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Either Google any talks about this one. What I want to take. Sir, let me take Google Jinja. Oh, have you observed, right? Jinja 2. Okay, documentation maybe Jinja 2, the Python template engine. Regarding Jinja 2 template language, maybe documentation is available. There we may have, but wonderful. Regarding Jinja is beautiful, man. Jinja is beautiful. And the Jinja is powerful. Wow, good. Like, sir, end of black. Okay, like something like we have. Don't worry. Are you, sir? Can you please tell? Are you facing any difficulty to understand this code? Yeah, don't think too much. First level, better to get. Yeah, this is else means if this condition is not satisfied, else, because the syntax is like that. The Jinja 2 template language syntax is like that, man. We know. Of course, it's not Python. We should not compare with the Python. We should not compare with the Java or something like that. It is its own syntax, its own rules are available. Are you able to understand? Are you able to see this code? Are you facing anywhere difficult? Nothing will be there, sir. First time you are going to get a bit difficult, but next time onwards it's very easy. I hope. Else maybe optional, I'm not sure. Okay, if we remove, and then what will happen, we are going to check, don't worry. Just if LC the mandatory or not, NDF the mandatory or not, like we will check. NDF must be required, but else may be optional. Getting right? It's very easy. Nothing will be there, sir. Okay? So because we are already having programming stuff, that's why. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now, here, let me restart server. Let me restart server. Now let me send the request. Let me send the request to the employee emp info. Okay, if I send the request, if everything is going fine, now my database data should be displayed here. Yeah, wonderful. Am I able to get database data or not? Yes, Dev Dikshit, correct. Am I able to get database data or not? Okay, well, once you got database data, you can able to do n number of activities, man. Why I have to worry? Why I have to worry about that, sir? We are not required to do any extra makeup. Already CSS file I make it ready to add some Fair and Lovely and a lipstick and so on. Okay, just we can able to get the data or not. That's what we have to give it. Okay, this is what you people should aware. Now, if you can able to understand this code, nothing will be there, sir, in the total Django. Okay, this is the complete cycle, whatever we are getting. Clear? Yes. Now take some time so to dig those. Okay, that's all. This is about what you should aware. Okay, so that's all. Happily the data by default you can able to display to the end user, right? Okay, now yeah, Vaishnav, it's not required. Can you please check other projects are working or not? If other projects are working, maybe small mistake, maybe in your current project. Okay, now listen, sir, either decoration, all these nonsense we are not required to do. Just 1 minute, what I want to take, h1 sir, color, h1 color, what I want to take here, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. Body, okay, background is URL, background URL. Just the first thing what I want to take here, let's the unsplash.com, because it's a very common unsplash.com, like this, right? unsplash.com. Okay, any some screensaver and so on. Okay, light color, some screensaver. Okay, screensaver, like let me take that. So a beautiful screensaver, whatever you want. Okay, so like some screensaver, like you can able to take that. Okay, something like so light color. Okay, let me take some here, like, okay, we are not required to worry. Okay, here just I'm taking yes, copy image address. Okay, URL, that's all. URL, that's it. Now, can you please observe that? Can you please observe that? Yes, automatically it's going to come. Automatically it's going to come. Don't worry, sir. Background repeat, no repeat. Like we can able to take background repeat. Somewhere we covered background repeat, no repeat, something like that. Sir, have you remembered? Background repeat, no repeat, like this. Next and after that, background cover, background suggest origin, background size, cover, something like we cover. Now total, okay, like this. Yeah, that's all. This is now what I want to take. H1 tag, color. In this yellow color should be very beautiful. Color is yellow. I'm taking. Color is yellow. Next and after the text align is the center. Text align is the center. I'm taking, sir. That's all. Now happily, do you know it is coming yellow, or otherwise let me take a red color. Okay, anyway, you can take the remaining cinemas, whatever color you require. Okay, like this, right? Next and after that, this table also. Table, sir, table, margin is auto. I want to take. Margin is auto, like this I'm taking, sir. Margin is the auto, like now table is coming to the center. Next and after that, border, okay, border is 2 pixel solid red border I'm taking. 2 pixel solid red border I'm getting. Next and after that, here color is the red I'm taking. Text color itself is the red color I'm taking. Next and after that, background I'm taking. Background is yellow, like this I'm taking, sir. Background is yellow, like something like I'm taking. Okay, just observe that. Okay, like, so you can do n number of other things, right? Okay, next font size. Okay, font size. Some I want to increase the font size. Are you getting that? Some 20, 25. I'm taking, sir. Font size 25 pixel, like this. Because luckily we are very familiar. with that. Are you getting? Next, for TD also, border must be required. Assume the TD also border I want. For TD also border I want. Then automatically what will happen? Yes. Okay. Well, something like we can take care all the remaining decorations. If you are going to spend a few minutes, that's all. Yeah. A bit the color added in our life. Are you getting right? So this data is coming from where, sir? This data is coming from where? Can you please confirm from where this data is coming? From the database. I didn't add code. From the database. I didn't add code, sir. Okay, like next for T head. Okay, T head, something like sir here T head. Okay, T head I'm taking. Background. Okay, T head I'm taking background is the green background. Green background I'm taking. Color is the white color I'm taking, sir. Okay, like a T head. Now observe that. Okay, well, next and after that, like yeah, you can add any kind of thing, man. There is one saying is there. I hope how many people are aware. You can, if you want to build your house, sir, you can prepare estimate. Yes, this house is going to be, sir, is the cost of 2 crores, is the cost of 3 crores. Like you can able to provide estimate for building construction. But for internal decoration, if you want, you can go for internal decoration with 100 crores also. Are you getting? For 100 crores also? There is no limit. For this internal decoration. Why I'm telling this point is to write, to develop the project, how much time is required, I can able to tell. But for decorations, how much time you are going to spend, based on that, look and feel by default will be there. If you are going to spend for half an hour, then half an hour related color is going to come. If you are going to spend 10 hours, then 10 hours related style is going to come. There is no limit for decorations. Are you getting that? Just some people may come out from the house without using at least normal powder also. Okay, some people may use fair and lovely lipstick and so on. Some people may took at least 1 hour time just for the preparation sake. Are you getting? So that's a difference there. Like next, if we want to display the data into the template file, then we have to add the model class to the admin.py. So not to display data in the template file. Thermalation. Why I register model in the admin? Anyone, can you please tell? Yeah, the part of our total life, we did one small activity, sir. What is that activity? Is added or register model class, register model class to admin.py, register model class to admin.py. Can you please tell what is the main intention of doing this one? Please confirm what is the main intention of doing this one. The main intention is whenever we are sending the request HTTP 127.0.0.1 okay colon 0.0.1 colon 8000. Whenever we are sending the request to admin interface, in the admin interface, this database table information I want to show. Regarding I want to show, if you want to show in the database in the admin interface, yes, we require to register. I don't want to open my admin interface, then you are not required to register also. Clear? Regarding it is purely related to admin interface, nowhere related to template file. For a display purpose, in the template we are not required to register. Yeah. Can you please confirm? Yes, sir. Here, why I'm taking this one is why I registered in the model class. Have you observed, right? Next, if you observe, there is one models admin is there. Just have a look once. There is admin.py is there. I register this employee inside admin.py. What is the reason for that? Is if you are sending the request to the admin, right? Okay, in that admin interface, if I send the request, now this table should be there. Regarding this table should be there. To see the table in the admin interface, we require to register model to the admin.py. Clear, right? Padmaraj. Okay. Yeah. Maybe Shashank, we may do. Next level may be possible. No changes reflected. I'm unable to create table means you are doing make migrations a second time. Correct, right? Parminder. Okay. So that's it, sir. Now have a look once. Now the total thing. Okay, like sir, all the activities. Now it's very clear. Now where we require to spend our majority of the time. We require to spend where, sir? Adding template tags in the template file. Regarding in the template file, that is, if you are perfect with that, nothing will be there, sir. Just I want to show one small project which is already available. Okay, like what I want to do is just take a bit very special case, sir. What I want to do is, sir, this is better to compulsory you require to practice this example. Compulsory you require to practice this example, sir. In the shared link, wherever I shared here, just observe. Don't worry. Very easily you can able to understand. Just observe. Let me go back, sir. The Django projects, my offline folder. CD the Django projects like this, right? Sir, now CD DJ project. Now observe very carefully, sir. The Django project like this I'm taking. What I want to take here is just sir, can you please tell? Of course, 1 minute. In this only, let me add one more line so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Here, just how many view functions are available? Can you please tell how many view functions are available? Sir, in our file, views.py file. How many view functions are there? Only one view. That is the responsible to display, right? Now let me take one more view, sir. What I want to take? DEF. Okay. Here very simple. DEF index. Like I'm taking index of request. DEF index of request I'm taking, sir. Here my job is I don't want to do anything. Just return return render of request, return render of request comma test app slash index dot html file I'm taking. Index dot html file I'm taking, sir. Now can you please tell how many view functions are available? How many view functions are available? 2 view function. If you send the request like this, immediately this function is going to execute. If you are sending this one, then index.html. But in my project, index.html is not there in the templates. Test app only emp. Create a new folder, new file, index.html. Index.html, right? So what I'm taking HTML code. Next, if you want yes, load static files, it is the common. It is the common, sir. Load static files, it is the common. It is the common like this. Yes, I'm taking like this. Next time after that, one more. This link also must be required if you want to use CSS file. If you want to use CSS file, this link also must be required. Well, now have a look once, sir. This link also I have to do that. Next, what I want to do is take very special care. Have you remembered bootstrap.com? Have you remembered? Have you remembered, right? How I can able to get the bootstrap? How I can able to get bootstrap? Here, bootstrap, get the bootstrap.com. Are you getting? Get the bootstrap.com. Get bootstrap.com. Let me change my version 3.7. Yeah, download Syrian. I'm taking just copy paste this one directly, sir. Copy paste this one. Copy paste this one, and where we have to add. Okay, this is Syrian for that. Next, here have you remembered one jumbotron must be required. One jumbotron I want. Sir, where jumbotrons are available? Components. Okay, like this. Component. Now here just jumbotron. Are you seeing anywhere? Yes. Jumbotron. Okay, like jumbotron. Okay, what is the code for that? Now here just have a look. Okay, this is the jumbotron. In the okay, what I'm trying to take here is just observe carefully, sir. Div class container. In that I'm writing this jumbotron. Regarding I'm writing this jumbotron, sir. In that I'm writing this jumbotron. Okay, now this is like this. I'm taking, sir. Now take a bit very special care, sir. Instead of hello one, welcome to Durga shop. Welcome to Durga shop like this. Next, welcome to Durga shop like this. I'm taking, sir. Next, here this is the anchor tag. Welcome to Durga shop. Okay, this is the anchor tag I'm taking. Now learn more. Click here. Here to get employee information. Click here to get EMP employee information like this I'm taking. Now let me define inside the urls.py. Are you getting right? Let me define inside the urls.py. Yes. Here one more thing I'm taking. Here dollar. Okay, views dot. What is our file? Views dot. What is the file? What is the views file? View name index. That's all. Views dot index. That's it. Now take a bit very special care, sir. What I'm trying to take is that's all. Now 1 minute. Let me start the server. Let me start the server. Here cd emp project. Next py manage.py run server. 1 minute, sir. Okay. Now let me refresh. Yeah. Welcome to Durga shop. click here to get employee information. Click here to get employee information. Like this we are getting, sir. What I want to do is small changes. Class align center. Align center. Okay, like align center. Okay, well, excellent. Next, what I have to do, sir, in the CSS file, give some margin. Are you getting? Give some margin for Jumbotron. Okay, where is my CSS file? Okay, in the CSS file, dot container class, in that dot Jumbotron, Jumbotron. Okay, like margin top. Okay, margin top. I want some 200 pixel. Margin top I'm taking 200 pixel. Yeah, unruffle. Now it's not reflecting. Maybe. Am I doing any mistake? Class container, class Jumbotron, margin top 200 pixels. Correct, right? Correct. Okay, margin top 200 pixels, like this, right? So for this, if you want, you can change the background. Okay, which background is good? Red background, red background. Next, and after that, next color. Which color you want? Red and the white color I want. Good. Welcome to like this. Click here like this, right? Don't worry. Whenever I click this one, employee information should be displayed. Okay. What I want to take in the index.html, what is the hyperlink? Do you know what is the URL pattern for employee information? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the URL pattern for employee information? I respond. What is the URL pattern for employee information? Where it will be available? Here. What is the URL pattern? EMP info. Okay? EMP info. Now, here what I have to take? Index.html. Index.html. Just write the EMP info. / EMP info. That's all. Now, let me refresh. If I click this one, automatically employee information by default is going to display or not. Click here, automatically employee information is going to display. Now, here just I'm writing, welcome to Durga Sam. Click here to get employee information. Any doubt? What I'm doing? I'm doing all the things for you people just anyway. But once you start practicing, then you will get much clarity. Okay, please believe me. Okay, once if you are just seeing, nothing will be there. Just practice this, then you will get a complete cycle. Write all the steps on the paper. Yes, what are various steps we are doing, and then just start digging. Okay, like, do you want me to share this project? Complete example is there. Do you want me to share this project? Yes, friends. Are you going to practice? What is this project name? EMP project. Yeah, I will share. EMP project link. Yeah, Madan, I will share now. Don't worry. Yes, here Python the Django in that folder. Yes, completed. Okay, sir, please copy this link if the people who are not having all these projects you can able to practice. Okay, just compulsory you require to practice, right? So that you people can feel more comfortable, I'm sure. Okay, if you are going to feel very comfortable, then I have to discuss. I don't want to insert the data manually. We can able to automate sir data insertion, automate data insertion with the faker module. Faker module is there. That faker module we are going to discuss. Okay, if you are going to sir work with faker module, you can able to create a number of tables. Okay, remember in the next session we require to talk a big concept, but before that all the steps whatever we did, please go through that so that you can feel more comfortable, I'm sure.